Alright y'all, so today we are doing an EDC video. And everything is going to come right off of me. So first off, something everybody carries. Cell phone. This is a Galaxy S20 Plus. Good phone. Wallet with all my credentials in it. You don't get to see them. Knife. This is a Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Little $12 knife. That way I don't feel, if I break it, if I lose it, I don't get angry. Light. This is a Streamlight ProTech 1 AAA. And it is plenty bright. Alright, so on to holster, belt, all that stuff. Show you that it is actually on me. So, I'm carrying a VersaCarry Archangel holster. And part of that would be the belt, which is also a VersaCarry belt. Here's the holster. It's a good holster. I like it. Really wasn't a leather holster person before this, and I'm carrying a Glock 22 240 cal. Before I start hearing everybody say, why don't you carry 9mm or why don't you carry a 45? Well, 9mm I keep separate. I have another Glock, and it's a 9mm. And then, of course, spare mag and a spare mag holster, also from VersaCarry, and my belt, and keys, of course. But that's my EDC, y'all.